You can clear exams. If you study only for exams, how are you going to clear interviews? If you come to me, let's say, and I'm taking your interview, and I see that you are somebody who only knows facts, I'm not going to give you the job. What kind of a teacher would you make?
It's about 1 month left to the exam and it's time for all those. एक महीने में नेट क्रैक करें.
आधे घंटे में मेट्रो सेंटर पे जाते हुए नेट क्रैक करें. See, that is what works on YouTube. And there's no problem with that. These are valuable videos. We have posted strategy video on our own channel, right? 2 month strategy video. And I think our advice is really good, if I may say so. But that's not what literary odyssey was meant to be.
It's not literally Odyssey, it is literary Odyssey. Yeah, when we started this channel, we clearly articulated a vision. What we wanted to do was deep familiarization. We wanted literature to be something which everybody could enjoy, everybody could have fun with, which everybody could deeply engage with. And that is still the vision we hold today. But this hacky algorithm, this algorithm that prompts you to make videos in a certain way. We've made videos on cultural theory, relating it to proper socio-political scenario in Nepal, and we've also made a video on cultural theory lecture with all the UGC NET keywords. And you can go check on our channel which one worked better. I like the Nepal one better.
I like my videos better.
We have tried to strike a balance between the two, and that has sometimes worked for us, sometimes it has not worked for us. But I think this is the right time that we have a genuine discussion today, because the way YouTube works, in the next 1-2 months, you'll see a lot of videos flooding on YouTube around UGC NET preparation strategies, PYQs, expected cutoff, paper analysis.
सेंटर पे बैग जमा करते वक्त ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो पक्का नेट हो जाएगा.
We have decided that that is not the route we are going to go.
Not the only route. The philosophy that we started with was that you can clear the exam without the cold, dead route of memorization. If you're preparing for NET, you have already spent about 5 years studying literature. 5 years of the only life that you have. Do you want that thing to be just a cold and dull corpse that you drag around with you? No, literature is full of life. It's beautiful. It brings so much value to your life. And that is part of what we want to do through the literary odyssey. But the YouTube does not like that. And you guys don't click on it.
And those of you who click on those videos do criticize us when we post the hacky videos. And as a famous poet, anyway, once said, "चार जन जब करेंगे तेरी बुराई, तो समझ जाना छोटे तू मचा रहा है तबाही." You have given us feedback and we really value that feedback, and we have decided that the balance that we are striking, we'll keep on doing that. We'll keep on posting videos around UGC NET. At the same time, we want to bring out content which is more immersive, which is deeper, which really justifies our approach, which we call deep familiarization.
So recently we went to a literature festival, and that's where we met 3 truly amazing people, all of them very, very well known. One of them was a practicing structuralist, the other was a modernist, and the third was an internationally, globally renowned poet, amazing person. The practicing structuralist was Devdutt Patnaik, who uses the ideas of structuralism, and he is so good with it. He's a thorough structuralist. When you talk to him, you'll see, oh my god, this idea of Ferdinand de Saussure or whatever, which was so dull on the page, is so wonderful when you look at it, how it applies to our world, how it applies to our own mythology, how it applies to things that we eat, how it applies to the festivals that we celebrate. That conversation is very enlightening, and it shows you that these ideas are not dead ideas, they're alive ideas, they're ideas around you. And if you study them just for the exam, you're doing such a horrible disservice to yourself. The same thing can bring so much value to your life. Why would you study it through ratification?
Another thing about Devdutt Patnaik, what he did in the conversation was, in the academic world, in this UGC NET preparation world, when we discuss structuralism, post-structuralism, we are surrounded with so much of jargon, so much of complicated language. He boils down mythology to a simple analogy of a birthday party, and he makes you understand mythology through that.
He's kind of like Roland Barthes, by the way. I think the way he approaches things,
Yeah.
and his position in the pop culture, he's a lot like Roland Barthes.
Correct.
Less technical, he uses very everyday language. I think he hates complexity. He wants to make things as simple as possible, which, by the way, you can only do if you have learned the complexity. That's why his lectures are so complicated.
Yeah, that's why your lectures don't get any views. Speaking of making complex things simple, we talked to another famous mythologist, Sunita Padmansar ma'am, and what a conversation, ma'am.
Yeah, it was amazing. So she brings the insight from Indian mythology And she tells us how we can understand our contemporary life through those stories, which is a lot like the modernist project of W.B. Yeats and James Joyce, The Mythical Method. A little bit, that's why I said a modernist. And she does it really well too. Like, we have seen her work, we have seen other people respond to her work, and that's something really valuable in our age of, brain rot, skibidi toilet, and all of those things.
And finally, we talked to a world-renowned poet,
Was a
Mr.
conversation.
Sudeep Sen, and we both agree it was one of the best conversations we have ever had.
Sudip Sen was such an amazing person to speak to. All the poems that are on the page, and if you do not like poetry, read more of poetry, you'll find something that you like. Sudip sir is a person who embodies the ideal that poetry is what makes us human, right? To be human is to create, to consume poetry. And he's so good at this. He's so good with words, the examples he uses, while being very technical as well. Now, that's something that a lot of the people would imagine. If somebody's talking a lot about poetry, they would not be very technical, but he's very technical as well. He's very practical as well. At the same time, he understands the value and the importance of beauty in our life, which is missing in UGC NET discourses. There is beauty in what you are studying, and why is that beauty not a part of the curriculum?
When we often discuss poetry, we often discuss humanities, especially poetry and fiction. We end up often the conversation ends up being about the utility, the purpose of poetry. Sudeep sir at least taught me that poetry, that is one discussion. Utility and purpose is one discussion, but poetry transcends that discussion, and it is something very essential to our being, something very essential to just being human.
And that is part of what we're going to do on Literary Odyssey. We'll post these conversations in the coming weeks, and we hope that you understand the value of these conversations. You can clear exams. If you study only for exams, how are you going to clear interviews? If you come to me, let's say, and I'm taking your interview, and I see that you are somebody who only knows facts, I'm not going to give you the job. What kind of a teacher would you make? And if you don't see the value that literature brings, why do we study literature? Net to clear net? No. Why do we still study Shakespeare? Why do we still study ancient Greek writers? Why do we still study Abhigyan Shakuntalam? Because net में आता है. Did the translators of all of these texts who translated them into from the extinct languages translate them कि बच्चों के एग्जाम में आसानी होगी? नहीं, because there is a value in these texts, and try to go after that, right? And you are going to clear the exam as well.
Yeah, we'll keep bringing these conversations along with the UGC NET videos. We'll have conversations with academics, people who practice this as profession for their living, who live and breathe literature. We'll bring these conversations along with the UGC NET content, and we want your support. We want you to engage with both kinds of contents. More importantly, these essential videos that we are going to bring, and we will really appreciate that.
Make literature great again. Next video on Literary Odyssey will be top 10 topics to revise as you take the rickshaw to the metro. And then the video after that will be the top 10 topics to watch in the metro.
And maybe in between those videos, you might find a Devdutt Patnaik video.
Yeah.
Just
all the best. We hope you enjoy. I will see you again in a different video, maybe together again. Not that anybody cares. I think we'll go more unhinged as we do more.
I care.
All the best for your exam. But the exam is not your life.
And we are
Or
better.
test for your life.
We are better in recorded lectures. Please buy that.
Buy the recorded lectures.
Bye.
Buy comprehensive assessment test. And buy